Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. So I'm painting over this. This is one I didn't want to keep, and we're doing a bloom with Liquitex Silver, 3 colors, Deco Art Rose Gold, and this is Pebeo Blue, Blue Black or Black Blue, with a touch to make it a little darker. I added just a touch of carbon black. Okay, so let's put these back. We're going to be using a white cell activator today. How is everyone today? Beautiful weather here in the Napa Valley. Where are you from? Where are you watching from? Let me know. Okay, let's get this in the middle. Okay, that's about right. Now the pillow paint, oh, let me get some gloves on. Pillow paint is going to be PPG Multi-Pro. Let's see. Gloves. I get so much paint on my hands when I forget to wear gloves. That's okay. All right. This is my 3rd painting for the day. I had 2 successful ones right in a row. Hello, thank you, Lord. That doesn't always happen. And so this is my 3rd one in different colors. I haven't used these colors before, but I'm going to be doing a mixed media piece with Fluid Art and Macrame, and I'm trying to find the right color combination. I haven't found it yet, so I am hopeful. Whoops, let's get it this way a little bit. All right. Hello, we are going to do it again.
Hello, we are going to do it again.
Yes, we are, because I messed up. I forgot to put on the cell activator and started blowing it out. All right, let's try this again, and I won't put as much of the dark color. Okay, so the silver. That's Liquitex Silver and Deco Art Rose Gold, which is beautiful color. I want lots of that. And then just a little bit maybe of this dark Pebeo Blue Black with a little extra. Maybe that's all. I don't know, we'll see. Now I will put on the cell activator. Last time I forgot and I started blowing out. Can't believe I did that. Well, yeah, I can believe I did that. Not too much. Okay, let's blow it out. Let's hope something better comes. All right, let me let that set up just a little bit. Am I gonna do any doodles?
Yes.
Well, I don't know if I will, because I'm, yes, I will. I will.
Good.
All right, let's take some dark and go through the light. Let's try it again. Okay, let's spin this out. Now, I want to show you, let's see where I put it. So another one that I created with a little bit different colors was this. So I'm going for this look, but I want to make it bigger and maybe different colors. So we'll see. Let me spin this out. Let me pop for bubbles first. I got some. Gotta pop those. Where's my stick? I always misplace it. Here it is. All right, let's pop those bubbles. Do it now, because after you spin it out, it's really hard to make the white dot go away. Those are really tiny. I can't do anything about that. Okay, well, that's good. It's just an experiment anyway. But, let me, all right. Oh. Ooh, that's pretty. Slipping around here. I like that. I like that color combination. That's really pretty. Now, can I make it bigger, like 3 times as big? I need probably about a 18 by 18 for the mixed media piece that I want to do. And I don't know how easy that's going to be. But I like this color combination. What do you think? Do you like it? Let's see. Okay. How much paint? Oh, it's okay. I don't like these little drops right here, so let me just see if I can get some of that pillow paint. No, let me get some fresh pillow paint. All right. I like it. Well, excuse me. So I hope this dries well. You know, sometimes it looks so beautiful you just don't want to spin it anymore, and you're hoping that it will dry okay. So that's what I'm hoping with this. I'm going to take this down. Take you down for a look and a close-up. Thank you for watching. As always, God bless you. I wish all the best for you, and I'll see you in a bit with the close-up.